Pumpkin Tenerina cake. Cut the pumpkin in half and place on the baking sheet. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until the rind softens. Remove the seeds and separate the flesh from the rind. Puree the pumpkin flesh until smooth. In another bowl, mix the butter and sugar until creamy, then add the egg yolks, mixing well to combine. Add 250 g of the pumpkin puree and stir with a spoon. If the pumpkin does not taste very sweet, you can increase the amount of sugar. Add the cornstarch, 1 spoonful at a time, and the vanilla. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form. Then gently fold into the pumpkin mixture using an up and down motion. Line a 24 cm springform pan with parchment paper, pour in the pumpkin batter and level it. Bake the cake in the preheated 170 degrees Celsius oven for about 40 minutes. Allow to cool completely, then transfer the cake to a serving plate and dust with powdered sugar before serving. Enjoy your pumpkin Tenerina cake!